Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So 4 months back I took a trade in Tanla platform and I invested around 28 lakhs. Right now I'm in a profit of 8 lakhs 76,000, so the ROI would be around 32%. So it wasn't an easy trade because it took me more than 4 months. Initially I was in a profit and then I was at a loss, a minimal loss, and then now I'm at a really good profit. So in swing trading, sometimes you get really good returns in a very short period of time. Sometimes it can be, it can test your patience as well. So you have to be ready for the both and you have to find a balance. Before I explain you the chart, please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any videos of mine. And we have also launched the crypto course very recently. Please make sure to check the video which is in our website justfortraders.in/crypto. Hello friends, so this is the Tanla platform chart in daily time frame. If you look at the past, there has been a wonderful trend right from last August. You can see that it forms a flag and moves up, forms a flag and then moves up, and then again a flag and moves up, and again a kind of a triangle pattern. So it consolidates and it moves up, it consolidates and it moves up. So this is how the price action of Tanla platform has been. And when I looked up at this chart, June month or July 883 is my average price. This is where I entered right around the breakout, and my stop loss was below the swing low. And after my entry, a couple of days or maybe 4 days, it went down and then it moved up, and I was in a profit of around 19%, I think 883, so somewhere around 12%. I did not book it because my stop loss was huge. I would wait for at least to turn into 1:2 or 1:3, right? So what happened is, and then the stock started to consolidate, okay, and this was the place where I was in a loss, okay, and then I was in a profit, again cost to cost, again I was in a profit, again this is the place I was some huge loss, not huge loss, 883 to 816, right? So let's measure it, 883 to, so I was in a loss of 7%. I did not close it because my stop loss is below the swing low, and I would exit only if this is broken, and I don't see any bearish trend, right? And after this there was a breakout from this, again another triangle pattern, and this is where I entered, okay. So this is where you could have entered again. This is the second opportunity. This is where I posted in my community, and from there it has gone up more than 34%, which is great. So if you like to be a part of our community, you can join it, because if you have invested 1 lakh into this, you would have earned 30,000 or 34,000 just off one chart. And there are a lot of charts we post on a monthly basis, and there is also tons of things that you will learn from the videos, and we update videos frequently. So yeah, you can also join our membership if you want. Just visit our website justfortraders.in. And so coming back to this trade, as I mentioned, not every triangle pattern has to give superb move. What most people think is that whenever there is a breakout from triangle pattern, they think that it will move 30-40% in a 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Yes, it does happen. I'm not saying it doesn't happen, but not every time it will move as per your expectation. Because if you look at this Tanla, initially it was giving good returns, but again it started to consolidate, and then it has given the good returns. But this is where most of them would lose their patience, and this is where all the weak investors will be exiting their position. So this is where most of the people would in hindsight it may look very easy, but look at this is 85 days, almost 3 months, 3 months of patience you needed. And if you are not, look at this, if I had exited here, that this is not a good return. If I had exit here, this is not a good return. If I had exited here, this is not a good return as well. So if I had exited in any of these places, I would not have made a good returns. Since because I was little patient, I was able to make this kind of return, which is 34%. So yes, as I mentioned again, not every triangle pattern or not every channel pattern will give you immense returns in 1 month or 2 months. There will be patterns that will test your patience, and then it will give you rewards. Similar kind of patterns, I had traded this in what's that called, fine organics. If you check the video which is on my website justfortraders.in, I had explained this particular trade in detail. You can go check it out. This is where I entered. I had put my stop loss below the trend line and I exited here, but I had to wait for almost 3 months. How I traded 2 years back is entirely different from how I trade now, because I have gathered a lot of experience from the trades I've taken, and now I'm a bit matured. So experience really matters, and I want you to take as much as possible. I mean, it's completely fine if you exit now. So when you are a beginner, of course you will panic, and emotions will be at stake, and you will want to exit the stock, right? So it's completely fine. You just improve from one trade to another, and you will make it. Okay. So yes, I hope you learned something from this video. Tanla platform was a very good trade from my end, and despite this is when most of the mid cap was correcting a little bit in the past 2-3 days, but still Tanla was quite bullish. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon with another video.